Hi ladies and gentlemen and everybody in between. I am back with somebody else's hair, and guess what? It is another get ready with me. Clink, 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 clink. I don't know who goes and gets ready to go pick up some takeout, but me. I'm that girl. How are y'all doing today? Hopefully you're doing well. I'm doing fantastic because girl, look at me. Y'all already know how good I feel when I got me a good curly wig that's firmly melting into my forehead like a hot day on asphalt. Wait, does that make sense? Today's get ready with me is a rooter to tutor get ready with me. So it's head, shoulders, knees and toes, ankles, legs, heart and nose. Y'all know it's cold outside. Girl, we got a snowstorm coming. But I'm gonna be prepared because guess what? I got a mink on my head. Baby, this thing's gonna keep me warmer than a snuggie. Y'all know I love a good curly wig, and I want to say thank you to Nadula Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video, because when I tell you I'm obsessed with this wig, this thing is gonna have me in a chokehold. Look how pretty this is. This is a glueless, one of those glueless closure mommies that don't have no ear tabs. You know the wigs that don't have ear tabs have my heart, because sometimes the ear tab is just too much. It is the 13th reason. But then we're also gonna go ahead and get into the face, do some quick makeup. I did a couple of like new makeup looks, and then we're gonna get into the outfit. Girl, we're gonna do all of it. So go ahead and grab a snack, girl. You ain't doing nothing anyways, girl. We just gonna have a little bit of girl chat. We're gonna talk. I wanna see how I did this hair and how I got this look and how I applied this thing. Please keep on watching, and then I'll be back to do the face and the outfit. Now let's go ahead and see what this wig looks like coming straight out of this box. Of course, the wig is going to come inside of the new Nadula Hair packaging. Inside that packaging, you're going to receive your gifts, elastic band, wig cap, all that stuff. But the most important part is going to be this wig. This wig is the 24-inch 7x5 bye-bye knots ombre chestnut brown curly wig with finger coil ends. This wig comes with a piano key elastic band. It comes with a elastic band drawstring in the back with silicone banding. It comes with a couple of combs, but the most important part is that she is super duper easy to apply, and she's going to be super duper secure. One thing I love about this wig is the hair color. When I pulled her out of the box, I was like, oh, they said hair color. This is a gorgeous coloring job. Now, one thing about this wig is that it does come pre-plucked and the lace does come pre-cut. But y'all know me, I was planning on doing baby hairs, so I really wanted to pluck it just a little bit more. This wig does not need any plucking, but y'all know me, I be OD, okay? That's just what I do. So we pluck the hairline, and the next thing we're gonna do is add a little bit of lace tint. The lace tint that I'm using is from Amazon. It's the More Crazy lace tint. It's my favorite lace tint because it gives the perfect color and it gives a buildable color. So if you wanted it to be darker, you can add more tint, which is perfect for us when we go on vacation and stuff like that. Either way, we reapply the wig, and as you can see, that lace completely disappears. I love having the option of wearing a wig glueless by adding lace tint, so I can choose like which way would I like to wear it. But I think this lace is meltable, so you may not need lace tint depending on your skin tone. That'll be up to you to determine, but the lace tint is an option. The next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and flatten that hairline. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Remington hot comb and flatten that up, and then we get to secure the wig. Now this is like my favorite part. It's so satisfying. I take that drawstring in the back, I pull it tight, and then I tuck it in, and the wig is completely secure. Now the next thing we need to do is melt this lace. Now I have fallen in love with what is this called? The Frontal Queen melting spray. Oh my god, I love this melting spray. I absolutely love it. I am wearing it now, and I wore one of my wigs for like 3 days using the melting spray. I got it from Amazon, and what I typically do is I add it on my tweezers and then I melt it into my lace. Instead of spraying it directly to my lace, it's not an aerosol, so it's just gonna drip down your face. I don't like it. I don't want lace glue tears coming down my face. So what I did was use the back of a rat tail comb, and as you can see, the results are gorgeous. One thing I love about this spray is that it has less of a sheen to it, which I like. Now the next thing we're gonna do is something I've never done before. I saw it on Instagram and I did it myself. So I took a razor to get rid of, like, you know, those little lace pieces that kind of curl up when you apply your wig. So I used that, and I don't know if it worked or not. I did it just because I'm not sure if it worked. Either way, I did end up cutting my forehead. So be careful. Be careful. Either way, the next step is to go ahead and do some baby hairs. As of late, I have been really like simple with my baby hairs. I know I like them short, but this time I'm going really short. I'm also gonna go in with a curler first. I curled it first, and then I went in with my Got To Be Glued wand to lay them down. One thing I find with doing my baby hairs, I find it hard to lay down baby hairs when they're not curled, especially after I've melted the hairline. So I find curling them with that little, I forgot what that, it's like a kiss, like 1/4 of an inch iron. Curling it with this helps to make it easier to lay down with that little curl thing. I know the girls been doing it, but that's smart. Now the only thing that happens is that I kind of burnt my forehead just a little bit, not too much. Y'all know how I feel about my forehead. I like her too much to burn it. So the next step is we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. If you notice, I am plucking those baby hairs because, you know, I just don't like the baby hairs to be big. I feel like it takes away from the wig application on me. For other people, it doesn't. But for me, it just be looking like too much. It's like I done got a hold of my mama's blue grease and I went to town. I don't like that. So I like for my baby hairs to be plucked and short. Now, all of that is complete and the hairline looks so good. It looks so pretty. I love how melted it looks and I love how natural it looks as well. I tried to have less crunchy hairlines. I want them to look more natural. Now, the next thing we're going to do is create a faux ear tap, which is the strangest thing to say, but we're going to push out some of our natural baby hairs to make it look more realistic. So from the side, the girls ain't just seeing cap. Girl, just cap everywhere. We don't like that. Now, the last step is going to be getting these curls defined. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is separate this hair into sections. I always do half and half of my head. I don't know why I do it like that, but it feels like the easiest thing to do. So we're just going to clip it away in sections. And the first thing I'm going to do is take my mousse. This is the Mousse Def Texture Font. Wait, no, not Mousse Def Texture Font. Oh my God, this is a Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. Obviously, we like to add that to the hair and then go in with our pattern shower brush and then detangle the curls. And I also, what I decided to do was trim this hair along the way. I trimmed it, I didn't cut it because I didn't want to cut off those finger coil ends because they're so important to the look of the wig. So I just trimmed the ends just a teeny tiny bit. So the ends that were snapping, that's what I cut off. So I only cut off like maybe a half an inch, if that. So I just trimmed that all the way through. And as I went through the hair, I also finger coiled the curls just to encourage the curls to be a little bit more juicy. Now, I also wanted to go in with my Red by Kiss powder, and I'm just going to define the part as well. So after the part is defined, we're going to go ahead and dry the hair. Now, I like to dry my hair using a diffuser. This is my old Dyson. Girl, I need to get a new blow dryer. I think I actually do have one. What am I talking about? I love using my Dyson just to blow dry my hair and get these curls completely dry. And then I'm going to go in with my Chi serum. It smells so good. And it's not an oil, but it helps the hair stay coiled without fluffing up. Like, I want the curls to stay defined. And I like a little bit of frizz, but not too much frizz. So I'm fluffing up the hair. And what I typically do to make my curls bigger is I pull my hair at the roots. And then I allow the ends to fluff up on their own. So the hair starts to look more and more beautiful throughout the day. It even looks better the next day. I'm actually wearing this wig the next day and it looks so good, so realistic. And those finger coil ends did not disappoint. They look so pretty. The hair looks so realistic. And when I tell you this hair looks good the next day and the next day after that, if you are interested in this wig, I will go ahead and leave a link for this unit down below. I also will leave a coupon code down below for the girlies that are going to get some money off, because you know we coupon clippers over here. We don't be playing them games. So go ahead and check out that coupon code on the screen as well as down below. If you want to see how we're going to go ahead and match this mug to this rug, please keep on watching. But girl, this is what it's giving. Right here is giving very much this. Very simple beat on the mug if I'm trying to be cute, and a really comfortable outfit. Let's go ahead and get dressed. Put my jewelry on. I love a good nasty jewelry set. Put on a coat. And we're going to head out and go to Chops. This is the outfit. Okay, you already know what the wig is giving. The outfit is giving Nordstrom Brat, girl, sleepy chic. And this is what it looks like, girl. This is like a V-neck set from the brand, I don't know. But I just tossed her on, girl. They come with the comfortable pants, comfortable jacket. I may just throw on, where's my jacket? It's a comfortable sweatshirt. And I love a V-neck moment because at least I get to show off a little, you know what I'm saying? Something is the finished look on the hair. You already saw the outfit. I smell amazing, delicious, and the look is tea. Like, the hair is absolutely stunning. I love this hair. I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna sleep in this hair tonight. First, I need to see if this wig can do a couple styles, because that determines whether or not I can sleep in this overnight. So let me go ahead and grab, hold on. Let's do the styles real quick. So the style that I'm starting with is obviously going to be the half up, half down. And girl, the first time I did it with a scrunchie and it looked a mess. So I went back in with a rubber band and pulled it up tight. I think it was cute, but y'all know I like a little tendril on the front. It was cute, but not exactly my favorite. Now the second style is definitely going to be a bun. I'm just gonna take all this hair down and then I'm just gonna pull the hair all on top of the head. Now I love the great thing about the drawstring in the back is that this wig don't go nowhere, girl. You can flip and flop this wig everywhere, which makes it perfect to sleep in. So I'm just gonna pull it on top of my head, like with a messy bun. This is like what I will wear around the house. But look how cute it is. It looks so realistic, and you really can't tell that there's no ear tabs on this wig. Like, you can, but you can't. And I love that. But y'all tell me what your favorite style is. I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. I want to say thank you again to Nadula Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video. Y'all really ate it up. It really does give what it's supposed to have gave. I absolutely love this wig. So thank you to them. Shout out to y'all. Anyways, I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.